If you want to install and play Roblox using Firefox on macOS, it's a pretty simple process. Start by opening Firefox and go into the Roblox website. Log into your account. Then click on Any Experience and press the green play button. A pop-up will appear letting you know that the Roblox player is installing, so just let that finish. Once the installation prompt shows up, you'll be asked to choose how Roblox links are opened. Make sure to check the option that says, "Always use this application to open Roblox player links." Then click Choose. This will open a Finder window. In that Finder window, use the keyboard shortcut command Shift and G at the same time to bring up the path input box. In that box, type /applications roblox.app/contents/macOS/roblox.app and press Return. After that, you'll see roblox.app appear in the Finder. Select roblox.app and click Open. When the Choose an Application dialog shows up, select roblox.app again and click Open Link. At this point, Roblox should launch normally. From now on, Roblox should run without any issues, and clicking the play button on Roblox experiences in Firefox should open them automatically.